Adventure with Guide Bangkok Travel. Hi everybody, today we will take you to Krok E-dok Waterfall. And this is starting point. We will start to walk from here by crossing a stream with very clear water. At the first part of the trek, that very easy walk, we warm up with a flat trail. Along the way we walk, we are crossing so many streams, just sometimes a little more adventure. Pink burn cup is the other highlight along the trail. And this is fungi cup mushroom. Along the way you can see so many kind of mushrooms around here, as you can see. And this is banyan tree, happened by nature, but this one looks so amazing. I haven't seen it before anywhere else. And this is the other streams with a little waterfall. If you would like to take a photo, that you have to wait for a queue because of there are many people they are taking a photo over here. But I'm the last one, that's why I can spend a little more time to get a great shot like this. After this, it's very rockery with no sign to show which way to go, and the trail is full of slippery rock. This is the fifth tier of the waterfall. This is 3 kilometers from starting point to now, so we will take a short break before we start the last hardest kilometer because of it's so steep and you have to pull yourself up with the rope for the real adventure. At this point we're so tired, but right now we can see a top of waterfall from afar, so it gives us energy to continue. It was heavy raining earlier that we didn't expect it, but anyway, after we wait for a moment, we continue journey after lighter raining. We're almost there, and this is the last 10 meters to reach our destination for today, the 7th tier of the waterfall. And because of it was heavy raining before, so on the way back when we are crossing a stream it's a little harder because of the current of the water is so strong, but very lucky the local guide always assists us when we are crossing the stream. Due to raining earlier, the trail is so muddy, but anyway, still easy to walk. And this is the first stream when we were crossed and the last one when we get back. And the tide is a little bit higher than when we were crossing at the start. But anyway, we can watch ourselves from the mud. After we cross to another side, it means we made it. So we done our mission today. This is the end of the clip and finish of our trip for today. So if you guys interested in one day adventure, come to join us.